know how my mama burnt the cornbread.
Beauty bitch, she bad, yeah. She drive a scare, yeah. She drive a scare, yeah. 392 with beauty beat that gas that thing up.
Faculty production.
392 with beauty beat that gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Beauty bitch, she bad, yeah. She drive a scare, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah. She turning lots of heads. 392 with beauty beat that gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up.
God damn, good morning. I'm out here with Rescue Wash Mobile Detailing, about to get the beat clean. Y'all know I was on the road all yesterday, coming from North Carolina, spinning with the gang, so it's time to get her all cleaned up. Man, y'all see how dirty she is. Rims don't even look bronze anymore. So fucking dirty. But yeah. Mobile detailing. This is my first time ever getting her cleaned up, you know, outside of a actual business. So let's see how this goes. Damn, them shits is black. Like, them shits is black. No. Yeah, the back not that bad. I'm gonna change my brakes in the front again to try to eliminate some brake dust, because that's just bad. So when I came back from North Carolina, my mama made cabbage. I'm about to fuck this up right quick. I had to take a break from recording outside. I'm hungry. Bro, I don't know how my mama burnt the cornbread. I don't know how she did that. But she burnt the cornbread, bro. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm just trying to figure out how you burnt the cornbread.
I told you I fell asleep.
Y'all hear that, YouTube? Y'all hear that?
No.
You gotta make sure you take your
I
cornbread.
told you what I said.
And you gotta break it up.
We're just gonna chop it up and just get the bad parts out.
Oh my God.
I'm talking my carrot.
Mama.
You want me to see the inspector on the phone?
Oh, you got your cabbage. You got some little breakups of cornbread. I can add some more hot sauce too. Oh yeah. My booty hole. Gonna enjoy this.
Let me clean. Girl, see, that's beauty color. That's not his color.
Oh, that's cute. I'm just over here trying to eat.
I told you worldwide.
You want some cabbage?
I just ate before I came over here.
It's gonna be damn near impossible to get back there.
Nah, I know how to do it.
Think about getting some rims that like don't have like all the grooves like that.
Yeah.
To make it easier. Is that what you have?
Yeah. I mean, you still gotta do it, but it ain't as many spokes as this.
God damn. I never seen her so clean. Golly. With the wax and everything. Oh my God. Jay, you did your thing with this one. You did that. So look. Yeah, he did his thing. Whew, and that's it, guys. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to Rescue Wash Mobile Detailing. I'll go ahead and tag his Instagram below. Got the bee clean off the road from North Carolina yesterday. Yeah, she looking good. She looking nice. So pick up the camera. Next video. Have a good day, y'all.
Pretty bitch, she bad, yeah, she drive a scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that